let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-110MW. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog hands are properly aligned. That way when we set our digital time, they'll display the correct time as well. To do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button. We'll hear the watch beep and we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling this small sub dial, and we want this to be pointing directly at the left at 50. We can advance this only one click at a time using our forward button. Once that's properly aligned, we'll press mode to now adjust our hour and minute hands, and we'll see 000 start flashing. This we can go reverse and forward. We want it to be pointing at exactly 12 o'clock. Once that's aligned, we'll press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now our first setting will allow us to choose our time zone using forward and reverse. If we press mode to enter our next setting, we can choose daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to zero our seconds with our forward button. Mode again will allow us to set our hour, and this can go reverse and forward. Mode again will allow us to set our minute. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode once more will allow us to choose our month. Mode again will allow us to set our day. And finally, our last setting is this LT 1 or 3. This is simply our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once you're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust, and our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.